Perfect. So with these then, they have some little pins which lock into place.
Press them in. Just took my finger.
What?
Just took my finger with it.
Right, just push that pin in again and lock it. Both of them, you need to do both at the same time. Roughly take your hand out of the glove, it just trapped. Joe, just get behind it like this, look.
I don't know, as it's nice, I just lost my finger, that's why it's honest.
Press them in and then just push it forward. There's Jared.
You said push it forward?
Push, yes I did. Get the little pins, the little buttons, push them in and then push it forward, Jared, so it collapses.
Okay.
But you've got to hold the pins down. Hold the pins down, then push it forward. So push it forward and collapse it. There you go, and there's your glove.
Yeah. Now these.
Push it up. That's it. Now what? Get your fingers out of the way of those. You just need to lock it into place. Pull it from, say, pull it from below.
Yep.
Just snap it into place. Okay. So that's the first bit then, and this can drop down. So now here we've got a. So it's still recording. So here you've got a little hatch which you can go through when you climb up. That's it, to try and access it safely. Now these might need to be replaced, Jared, though. As you can see, these all lock into place. It's actually very, very stable. And obviously these start falling out, presumably. So we've got this little hatch then, which you climb up through to get onto the platform. Now these might need replacing. I'll perhaps get some thick ply, something like that. Anyway, so you climb up inside it basically. So just cup hold of that, look. There we go. And these obviously collapse both ends. I think that this one. No, let's just see which way it goes. Yeah, I think this one rolls forward. Just watch your fingers. Okay, so. Now this one here, you've got a locking mechanism here, look. So let's push that out of the way. You might need to push it down. Might just push it down to unlock it. Right. Right, hang on.
We've got all the instructions here, take it slowly, you can read lots of this.
Right, just come back here, Joe, we need to release these. Okay, so. Okay, so give that a little push. That one first. Now, hang a minute, don't do too much at a time. You need to lock this into place. That will fall back on itself, Jared. Okay, like that. So, next thing we need to do then, we need to lift this.
And push it up.
So lift that, and then we just bring that and it'll lock it into place like that, okay? So there we go. So it's nice and secure, isn't it?
These need to be tightened, or would be...
No, everything is absolutely fine, locked into place. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't she a beauty? Yeah, and then obviously in order to stabilise it, you know, you put the outriggers on. Isn't that beautiful? So lock the wheels, that's it. So what you do, you climb up on the inside. So you use these as a ladder basically.
Yeah.
Climb up on there, look. Got some little grips, look. You climb up and you go through that access point up there. It is, isn't it? And you've got these bits down here, look. You can swizzle them around just to, you know, make sure it's nice and level. So this looks absolutely solid then. Everything appears to be in good working order. Because obviously when you buy stuff in auctions, you just never know whether or not there's going to be anything wrong with it, or whether they're going to be damaged in some way. So yeah, absolutely delighted.
Are you not bothered about the stabilisers? No.
You can't really put them at the minute, but that's absolutely fine.
Yeah.
So what you do, you climb up here, like so, like that.
Who knew a caveman could climb?
Hey, give it a push. You feel more belly button.
I'm trying to avoid it if possible.
This is fine, mate, to be fair.
Is that your knees knocking that I can hear?
Okay.
That's just some of the first crap being taken out of the gutter. Flipping hell, pull to the bridge.
A lot safer than balancing on ladder, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, this is ours. That cut from here is unbelievable. Yeah, this is absolutely fantastic. This is exactly what I'm saying.
Let's see if he makes it down in one piece. Or plenty. Do you feel confident in its rigidity, like when you're going down?
Yeah, I mean it needs stabilising obviously, but no, it feels solid. Haven't got any concerns about it. Not at all. Not at all. Lovely. Tips out, why not?
Here we go. Now if you push them in, while both those pins
I'm just wondering whether you might just need to do it manually instead.
Yeah.
You might not do that.
That's about right.
I think
Push it in.
I think the mechanism ain't working properly, so you need to push it in manually.
And again. Cool. And then go to this piece again, and then that piece.